Greetings and welcome to another video. In this video, I have some exciting surprises for you. Firstly, I will show you how to create a professional marketing video with just a few clicks, which has earned me $2,351 this month. You can also start now, who knows, you might earn more than me. Second, I'll demonstrate how to create a video quickly with any template and detail that you like. And lastly, I will show you how to create your own personalized avatar and transform your photos into animations with just a few clicks. So, we have plenty of things to do together. If you are new to my channel, I extend a warm welcome to you. And don't forget to subscribe to always stay up to date with the latest AI tools. Let's dive in. Well, to begin using HeyGen, you can use the description link to easily access this AI tool. Then on the main page, click on the Try HeyGen for Free button. Okay, let's get to the first surprise I promised you. We want to create a professional marketing video in less than 5 simple clicks. So, on the main page, click on the URL to video button and paste a link from Amazon into this search bar. Let's do an example. I think this MacBook Pro is great for business. Let's make an interesting video for it. For this purpose, simply copy the URL link and paste it into the search bar, then click on Generate button. The tool will suggest you 4 landscape and 3 portrait formats. You can watch a preview from each of these, but because it's not still rendered, the avatar probably won't move. Choose one and click on Go to Editor button. In the next step, you can edit any part of each slide that you want. Well, congratulations, your video is ready. I told you, it is very easy. The tool took all the information from the Amazon and wrote the text via AI. So we can say that the video is almost ready, but you can still make any changes you want. For example, you can change the avatar or use multiple avatars in your video, edit the text, change the voice, or do anything else you want.
Hello, I'm happy to introduce to you our product.
In this example, I don't want to make too many changes. I just change the avatars and click on Submit button. Okay, let's check the result. Well, it looks great. This video has a QR code linked to your Amazon affiliate account. When people scan the code and make a purchase on Amazon, you earn a commission. It's an easy way to make money through Amazon's affiliate program. Also, if you have your personal business, you can make a similar marketing video very easily. I will tell you how to do it. Okay, here, you can easily download the video and publish it on your social media. Okay, let me tell you how to create a professional video along with a customized avatar. With a few simple clicks. First, click on the template from the left toolbar. Then choose whether you want the video to be in landscape or portrait format. Next, simply choose a topic and select one of the pre-made templates from the available options. You can find templates for any topic you want, such as advertising, news, e-commerce, education, health, festivals, and so on. Even if your desired topic is not in the list, you can create a customized template for yourself. Also, if you click on any of these templates, you can watch a short sample video of it.
Design your life the way you want it to be and give your home a new style.
And if you prefer a portrait format, which is ideal for short videos on YouTube or Instagram posts, simply select your preferred template and move on to the next step, which is avatar settings and video editing.
Welcome to Movio Real Estate. Quality house for sale, we have a 30% discount today. Please contact us immediately if you need.
Okay, let's go to the most interesting feature of this AI tool. You can do many interesting things in the avatar section. Firstly, with Talking Photo, you can create animations from photos. Here, when you click on the Upload button, there are two options. You can upload a photo from your computer or create a new image with the help of this AI tool. Don't worry at all. I will test both for you. First, let's make a funny animation of Hitler. So I click on the Upload button and upload a picture of Hitler from my computer. Then I click on the Create Video button and choose whether I want my video to be made in landscape or portrait format. In this section, we can type a text and then this AI tool will generate a voice for us. Also, if you have an audio file, you can upload it or record your voice live. If you want to use text, you must select the language and voice of the speaker from the right side. There are hundreds of voices in this library from which you can simply choose.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
You can also change the speed and pitch of the sound to achieve the desired sound quality. Well, in this example, I write a short text and click on Submit. Let's see the result.
Welcome to the new era of video creation.
Okay, I want to test Talking Photo once again, but this time I want to create an image with the help of this AI tool and test its power in image generation. In this search bar, I have to describe the main features of the character I want to create. Well, I write, a beautiful young girl. But note that the more you explain, the more accurate and high quality a character will be made for you. Okay, I click on Generate. Let's see the results. Although the results are acceptable, I recommend trying Leonardo AI or Blue Willow for creating free and high-quality characters. You can find a comprehensive tutorial video on using Leonardo AI and Blue Willow on my YouTube channel. Anyway, among these 4 pictures, I save all except the second one, which is not good. We can use any of these 3 images to create a video. I'll make a video with one of them quickly, just like the previous example. The only difference is that this time, I'll make the video in portrait format, which is suitable for posting as a short video on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok.
Welcome to the new era of video creation.
Well, let's continue. In the avatar section, if you visit the avatar library, you will see that there are 132 pre-made avatars that you can easily choose from. By clicking on each of these, you can see a short sample video of it.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
This avatar named Monica is very humanoid and famous. Many people are making educational videos with the help of this avatar. You can also use it.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
Okay, in the Pro Avatar section, you can change the appearance of any of these avatars as you want. For example, I click on the Create button and select Daisy. Then in the search bar, I write red coat. Well, because I didn't write any details and just wrote red coat, this tool offered me 5 prompt options with more details. Okay, I choose burgundy pea coat. Let's see the result. Well, the results look good. You can choose anyone you want, save it, and use it to make your videos.